In this Getting Started with VDI-in-a-Box video, we will talk about how to install the desktop agent as a step towards creating a golden image. In the previous videos in the series, we imported the VDI Manager virtual appliance to our off-the-shelf server running our choice of hypervisor, and imported the Windows image that we are now configuring to use as our golden image. The VDI-in-a-Box image management cycle works like this. We first import a virtual machine from an ISO image into VDI-in-a-Box, and once we bring it in, we need to prepare it to publish it as a golden image. First we install the VDI-in-a-Box Desktop Agent, then we edit the image and apply any patches or additional applications we want to it, sysprep it, test it, and save it as a published image. From the published image, we can set policies via templates and create our virtual desktops. In this video, we're going to show how to install the desktop agent. When installing the desktop agent, we must ensure that antivirus or endpoint security is disabled and Windows Firewall is enabled on our imported VM. Please note that you can re-enable your antivirus at a later stage. We will switch to the admin console to show you how to install the desktop agent on the draft image that we have just imported. On the Images tab of the Administration console, we see that the Windows image that we have imported is now in VDI-in-a-Box and shows that it is running. We see that the LED for the Install Agent step is green, indicating that the import has been successful, and we must now install the VDI-in-a-Box Desktop Agent. We will click the Edit link to take us into the guided wizard, which will walk us through the image management cycle. Our first step is to deploy the desktop agent on the image. We will see that the VDI-in-a-Box has provided us with the URL to download the agents. We will copy this URL and connect to the virtual machine to deploy the agent. We will connect to the machine and open a browser. From this browser, we will enter the URL of the desktop agent. We will run this install file and proceed through the desktop agent installation wizard. This will install the desktop agent successfully, and VDI-in-a-Box will restart this virtual machine. Back on the image management wizard, we will now be able to click Next to proceed to the next step of the image management cycle. Now that we have successfully installed the VDI-in-a-Box desktop agent on our imported virtual machine, we are ready to prepare a golden image by editing the image, sysprepping it, testing it, and saving it as a published image, from which we can generate desktops in VDI-in-a-Box. This concludes this video on installing the desktop agent. The next video in the Getting Started with VDI-in-a-Box series will cover editing a golden image to install applications or patches that you wish to deploy to your users' virtual desktops. If you would like to try this for yourself, you can download a free trial at Citrix.com by clicking Products and VDI-in-a-Box. For more instructions, please see the Getting Started with VDI-in-a-Box series of videos on citrixtv.com or see our documentation at support.citrix.com/VDI-in-a-Box. Thanks for watching.